In an extraordinary feat of focus and precision, he takes on the impossible challenge, solving 3 Rubik's Cubes while juggling. Every move demands concentration. Every second counts. One mistake, and it's over. But watch closely. With incredible speed and flawless rhythm, the cubes begin to fall into place. This isn't just juggling. This isn't just puzzle solving. It's a mind-blowing fusion of skill, patience, and pure talent. And when the final cube clicks into perfection, history is made. A remarkable achievement honored with a Guinness World Record.